How to fix your Chrome browser keeps automatically closing itself in Windows 11. So if you're trying to open up Google Chrome and it's automatically closing, then I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and solve this issue. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is open up the Start menu on your computer. You can then just search for the word Chrome, go and right-click on the application, and select Open File Location. You can then right-click on Google Chrome and click on Open File Location once again. Now right-click on the Chrome icon, click on Properties, click on Compatibility, and then select the option next to Run this program as administrator. Now press Apply and OK. You can then right-click on the Chrome icon and select Run as administrator. You can then check to see if your browser is now opening. If it's not working, you'll need to click on the 3 vertical dots in your browser, scroll down to Settings, click on Reset Settings from the left-hand navigation, click on Restore Settings to their original defaults, and then just go and press Reset. Now once you've done this, you can check again to see if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, the final solution is to open up your Start menu. You can then click on Settings. In the left-hand side, select Apps, click on Installed Apps, and then go and search for Chrome. Click on the 3 horizontal dots and press Uninstall, and then go through the steps to uninstall Google Chrome from your computer. Once it's been uninstalled, you'll need to open up another internet browser. So I'll just be using Microsoft Edge. In the address bar, type in Chrome Download. You can then click on the official Google website, and then go through the steps to re-download Chrome to your computer. Once it's re-downloaded, you can open up the browser, and that should have fixed the closing issue.